Welcome to the MamMaw Boutique. Hi there and welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share with you two important things that I done while making this corset style top for one of my customers. The first important thing was adding bust cups, and the second important thing was adding boning. Adding these two important things really gave the top a nice feminine curvy shape. And this is how I did it. This is the inside of the top. So I'm going to be adding these bust cups to give some shape for the boobies. I have actually no idea which way this goes up. I don't know if it's this way or that way. I think it's this way, but I did put it in the garment like this and I didn't like the way it was looking. It actually looks better this way. So I'm gonna do it this way. Yeah, because the shape was much better. So all I need to do is where these pins are, this is where I positioned them on the toile here. And I've marked where the princess C needs to go. So I'm going to tack it here and here on the garment. Then transfer it onto the actual garment. So I'm just going to reposition it the exact same way it was on there. And now I can start to sew. I'm just going to do some hand sewing and just literally tack it. So I'm tacking the bust cup to the garment. And I'm just allowing for the seam allowance at the neck and adding a little bit more, so just a little bit more than the seam allowance at the neck. And then I'm just tacking the bust cup. Okay, so I have tacked and stitched the bust cups onto the garment. So I've just tacked it here and here, here and here. So I'm going to check now to see that it fits nicely. It still fits nicely on the dummy. So far it doesn't look great, but I know I can fix it like that. It's just the seam allowance wanting to fold over, so that's fine. So once that's done, I'm pretty sure that's going to all smooth out. And yeah, apart from that, I'm liking the shape still. The shape around the bust looks good. See, look at that from the side. That looks good. Obviously, I need to stitch the neck. So yeah, I'm pretty confident I can smooth that all out, she says. Most boning materials can be quite hard and harsh to the body. They can actually dig into the wearer's body, causing bruising. So what I like to do to avoid this is to cut and curve the ends of the boning and take a little bit of duct tape to neaten the edges. Before adding the boning, I made sure that the seam allowances of the lining was actually 0.5 wider than the boning itself. This made it super easy for the boning to slip right in. Okay, so I've added the boning. That's why it's rolling up like this. So now I just need to attach the garment outer shell to the lining. And this is the corset top all made up. I've attached the hook and eyes at the back. And I've attached the lining to the outer shell and the straps.